Hello, Brenton Begley, attorney and partner with McIntyre Elder Law. Let's talk about the good and the bad. Specifically, the good and the bad with irrevocable trust and planning for Medicaid. So let's start with the bad. What is bad about using an irrevocable trust and, planning for Medicaid with that irrevocable trust? Well, a trust is like a hammer. It's a tool. As long as you use it correctly, there's no downside. But just like a hammer, if I smack my hand with that thing, there's certainly a downside. So you want to make sure that you're using the trust correctly. And when it comes to irrevocable trusts, it's all about timing, okay? If you put an irrevocable trust in place, you want to make sure you're far outside that look-back period for Medicaid, which is 3 years for assisted living, 5 years for skilled nursing care. So be careful when you're using an irrevocable trust, timing-wise. Okay. Otherwise, the good about an irrevocable trust is anything you put in that trust is protected. It does not count as an asset against you for Medicaid purposes. They're looking at what you got, seeing if you qualify. Anything that you put in the trust will not count. It's also outside of your liability. If you incur substantial medical debt or you are sued, they can't go after any of the assets that are in the trust. Lastly, it avoids probate. So anything that you put in that trust passes immediately to your beneficiaries upon death with no probate process necessary. Trusts have the ability to protect and preserve assets as well as anything else. You just have to use them right. If you have questions about protection of assets, qualification for Medicaid, or trusts in general, give us a call, 704-259-7040.